studio vlog in my apartment. It has been a long time since I've been on YouTube. It has been a long time since I had 2 brain cells to put together to make YouTube videos. But here we are. I am so glad to be able to share this studio vlog with you today. I do a lot of stuff in this vlog. Full disclosure, it is March, and most of this was filmed in a little bit of January and a lot of February. Let me explain some of the projects though. So first, I'm self-publishing a poetry book. It will be available in print. It will be available for order if you go to your local bookstore and stuff like that. It's very, very cool. I'm using this very cool self-publishing tool that is binding the book and making it, and I will have a bunch of copies in my own shop that are signed and numbered, some limited edition copies, some goodies that will go with it. But I don't know when the release date for that is yet because it is still being made. It is currently being finished up right now. We did 2 rounds of edits. It's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to share it with you. So that's one thing. The other thing is I have had a long-term goal of having a sticker shop, or having stickers in my shop and having better products in my shop rather. I haven't done stuff like this since I was touring around the country doing little like comic zine fests and art shows, and I've been shy to do it, quite frankly. I wasn't sure, you know, if I design something, will anyone buy it, like all of that, but I decided to just go for it. I've been making art for 2 years, sort of just trying to build my skill, and now I feel like I'm in a place where I can share outwardly again. So I've been working on sticker designs. There's some of that going on, some of me figuring out what designs to do. I don't know, there's gonna be a lot of other random stuff that I can't remember now because it's March. How are y'all doing? It's been a weird 2 years. Is it? Yeah, in a few days is the 2-year anniversary of being in a pandemic. Holy moly. Like, I cannot believe this panini has lasted so long. So it's had a lot of effects on all of us. I hope you're staying well out there. I hope you're keeping healthy. And thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy the vlog. It's Thursday. So I was feeling really overwhelmed earlier this week, so I made a brain dump of what to figure out. Working in my planner really helps me get my head in order because then I feel like I'm not struggling to remember everything and I'm feeling stressed about what I've forgotten. This is a sticker that has moved for multiple weeks though, so I really need to get cracking on this. This is a list of stuff I need to do for my poetry book. I am working on self-publishing a poetry book. It will be available in many places. I'll talk more about it another time. But basically, the interior's done, and I need to work on the spine design and the cover design, really the jacket design of the entire book. So I did some pieces of this, but I need to finish those. And then I have like life stuff here, and I need to get cracking on some products that I want to design for the poetry book. But really all I've wanted to do lately is paint. So we'll see. I don't know. February 23rd. I did get my interior back from my designer, so I'm going to have a first draft of the poetry book. So I have to edit that this week, but we're getting there, which is pretty exciting. I can't remember if I mentioned before, I did buy my ISBNs. They're the unique book numbers that every single book has to have. So I spent the money. No going back now. Any going back before even. It's very windy today. I don't know if you can hear it. My art like just flew off the door a moment ago because it is extremely windy, but it's very warm and I have a lot of energy when it's very warm, but I have to do adult day job things first. So gonna do that. Almost finished my sticker designs. It's been a rough couple of weeks because I've been having a lot of shoulder pain. And do you see that? Do you see it? How? Do you hear that? This was maybe not the best time to record, but I keep forgetting to, so here we are. I've had some back and shoulder pain, and I'm really lucky to live with a partner who is a corrective exercise specialist and a personal trainer because he's really been helping me with it. So I've been okay, but it was really hard to sit at my desk all last week. This is unusual for me. I'm usually just fairly healthy. I was gonna say healthy as a horse, but that's not entirely true. At least not after this pandemic. But I'm generally okay. Once the interior... Can you stop? Thank you. Once the interior is done, and I know my solid page count, I can work on the jacket, and then once it's all uploaded, I can set an actual pub date. So, fingers crossed. Also working on new products for a store. Also, I haven't really had new products for my Etsy store in years. So, I'm kind of excited / nervous to reopen it. All right, more to come. Bye. Do we like this angle? Is it noisy? Can you hear the outside more than you can hear me? I thought it would be nice to try, you can see into my studio. So that's my hallway back there. You're on my window. So it's February 27th. I got some Etsy orders, which is very exciting. So I was going to get up and paint today. I want to finish my Yu Yu Hakusho painting. I've been working on it for weeks, and by working on it for weeks, I mean I was working on it really steadily and then I kind of dropped it for the last 2 weeks. That happens sometimes. This is why I don't always do bigger paintings, because I don't finish them right away. But I painted something else I really love. There may be some footage of that in here. But before I get into painting, I've got some business stuff to do, which includes packing the Etsy orders I got. Somebody ordered another one of these. This is my poetry zine. This is the preview of the poetry book. I made these for the event I was doing for the grant I got to make the poetry book, and sold a bunch at that event, but I have like more in stock. So I've had them on my Etsy and they're really great. They are about 16 pages. Let me show you. They have some art in them. They're 16 pages. There's a couple of poems in here. Just some nice stuff. I love the back of this. It's backwards so you can't read it. Maybe I'll flip this video, who knows. But they're really nice quality. The cover is very stiff and I really like how they turned out. I think this place is beautiful. I'm gonna have to order from them again. So for people who buy the sampler, since the full book is coming out in this spring, pub date to be announced, I'm giving people a discount. I can't remember how much it was, but it's in the Etsy description. It says that you will get a discount on the full book if you have bought this, to make up for the fact that you're buying a preview of something, or sort of like a first edition of something, and they're all numbered, you know, they're limited edition. They're not going to be printed again because there's no need. And I think they're really sweet for like a mini book if you want to see if you're going to like the full thing and not like commit to the full thing, if you want to read it sooner until the next thing is out, if you're curious about the content and just want like a little sweet zine on your shelf. They're really nice. So they'll be in my Etsy shop in the description. I'll put a link below if anybody's curious about that. So I thought I would take you with me while we pack that order, and then I'm gonna do some art business stuff, and then let's see if I can get to painting. I really should get to painting. Watching it thus far. If you are finding me for the first time on YouTube, and you want to follow me, you want to see my other stuff, I'm linking all of my social media down below. I have a TikTok, I have a Instagram, I have an Etsy. I cannot remember the name of websites right now. Obviously, I need more coffee. You can bet that when the poetry book is out, I will be shouting loud and proud about it. When stickers are up, I will be shouting loud and proud about it. I have ordered samples of a bunch of new products. I am working on new stuff. I'm going to keep recording things, and I've got some sketchbook tours on the way as well. Please subscribe if you've liked this video. Like this video if you liked this video. If you didn't, I doubt you're still here. But if you are still here, thank you so much. And to all the people that followed me and liked videos and still watched my stuff like for the last 2 years, even though I haven't been uploading, really appreciate you. Thank you for sticking with me. And I'm kind of excited for this year. Please stay happy and healthy out there, and I will see you next time. Bye, friends. I need more coffee.